carpet an investment piece?
Yes.
Yes.
Do darker carpets make spaces feel smaller?
Not necessarily.
Yes and no. So if you have a smaller space, it can make it cozy as well as rich looking. But yeah, because there's less light reflected from a dark carpet, so obviously it can make your space look smaller.
Do carpets require high maintenance?
They require maintenance like any other furniture piece or anything else in your home, but not very high maintenance. Depends upon how you clean and maintain your spaces.
Depends on the kind of carpet. So if you have a lot of silk, then yes. But if you have materials that we've developed such as Econil, then not at all.
Is professional cleaning necessary?
Sometimes.
Yes.
Do carpets fade over time?
If kept in a very exposed area, then yes.
Bad quality ones, yes.
Can sunlight damage luxury carpets?
Excess of it, yes.
Yes. So if a carpet has been manufactured for indoor usage, you can't be using it outdoor, especially in weather like Dubai.
Can stains permanently damage carpets?
Yes.
Again, depends on the type of stain. Something that's very stubborn would spoil anything it's built on. But if it's a regular stain, then not necessarily.
Can colors be matched exactly?
No. Colors can never be matched 100% the same. Every dye lot is different. We've been making the same signature colors for past 15 years probably, but every dye lot there is a small difference in the color.
Can one design work across multiple rooms?
Yes.
Why not? Yes.